Hello guys, welcome to my garage. Maintaining of proper oil level is vital to your engine's health. You should do this regularly, let's say every 1000 miles at the minimum. The oil gauge is located under the hood. To open your hood, just pull the lever under the steering wheel. Press this latch behind the logo under here and open. Before checking your engine oil level, be sure that the engine is cold and you can keep your hand on the top of it. The oil gauge is basically just a wire that leads to the oil pan. To measure the oil level, just pull the gauge out, clean it with a towel and stick it back in. Now pull it out again and take a good look at it. Here you can see I'm right at the minimum level, which is fine, but it's on the edge, so we have to fill it up. That's why it's very important to check your oil regularly. To top it up, just simply unscrew this cap on the top of your engine. Take an oil which is recommended by your manufacturer. You can always find this in your owner's manual, and top it up. We were just on the minimum, so I will put like 3 deciliters inside. It's like a quarter of a quart. Now give it some time to flow back to your oil pan, and then we can measure it to be 100% sure it's at the correct level. I checked the oil level again and it's just below the maximum, which is perfect. Now remember to screw the lid back on top of your engine nice and tightly. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye!